Every finance bro on the internet is selling you a secret to get rich. Bad news, there isn't one. But there are 3 steps. And they're so stupidly simple, it's honestly a little insulting how few people actually use them. No lottery, no crypto pump and dump, no quit your job and become a day trader nonsense. Just 3 moves, and I'm handing you all 3 right now. Stick around, because step 2 is the one almost everybody skips, and it's quietly costing people hundreds of thousands of dollars. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Sounds obvious, right? Here's the twist. Most people pay everyone else first. Rent, credit cards, Amazon, DoorDash, and whatever's left maybe goes to savings. Flip it. The second your paycheck lands, a chunk, even just 10%, goes straight into savings or investing before you touch a cent. Automate it. Out of sight, out of mind, into your future. Step 2. The one I promised you. Compound interest. Boring name, wild results. Your money makes money, and then that money makes money. Einstein supposedly called it the 8th wonder of the world. Nobody can actually prove he said it, but hey, the math checks out anyway. Invest consistently in something simple, like a diversified index fund, and then leave it alone. Don't panic sell every time the market dips. Time in the market beats timing the market. Every single time. Step 3. Grow your income, but don't grow your spending at the same speed. It's called lifestyle creep, and it is a silent dream killer. You get a raise, upgrade the apartment, the car, the vacations, and suddenly you're earning triple what you used to, but saving the exact same amount. 0. Instead, every time your income climbs, let your savings rate climb with it, not your spending. So that's it. Save first. Invest consistently. Let your income outrun your spending, not the other way around. Is it fast? No. Compound interest needs years, not days. Is it simple? Yes. And simple, done consistently for a couple decades, is exactly how regular people on regular salaries actually become millionaires. Not luck, not lottery, math. If this just saved you from wasting money on another get-rich-quick course, you already know what to do. Follow along. Next time I'm breaking down exactly how much of every paycheck should go where.